driver. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am the download driver for XP OfficeJet. The this here for Surya. You type here the driver alert, and this one I search the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website and XP OfficeJet. This here for support.xp.com your link, and if you need download, you click here. So the website loading, and this here for the printer, and this here for the serial the printer. If you make the operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh, your or Chrome OS, in this here for take automatic your operating system for the system operation the website. If you change the system operation, you click here, and this here for you click here for the version for the operating system. In this here for Linux, Android, Chrome, Mac, Macintosh. In this here for Windows and iOS. If you download for the Mac, in this here for you click here for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. And if you download for the Windows, and this here for the Windows version. And this video I'm need to download it for Windows 11. Click here for Windows 11, click update. This here for driver update. In this here for the uh, install online, the recommended. And this here for support your the printer scanner fact and file and sharing file the printer. If you need download offline, and this year for easy setup a printer software, this year for internet connection require the driver, and this year for install online, and this year for install, and this year for install online, and this year for install offline. Okay, if you need to download, and this year for the include the driver, printer, scanner, ledger feature and solution for the printer. If you need to download, you click here for button. This your phone drive for the load. If you need to install for the your printer, your so you turn on the power printer, and maybe this here for menu, or turn on, or this here. You turn on the menu, you turn on the driver, you turn on the printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and please wait finish ready for the load. If you finish ready for the load, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. And this here for the take automatic your operating system. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time.